Hi, hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about what are the rules to construct or to write a C program. So, based on my perspective, these are the some rules which I have defined in this slide. So, the first rule is about all statements should be written in a lower case. Okay, the first sentence of this thing will be what all the statements. What is statement? So that is also be a one question. So later we'll give the answer for that. But all statement should be written in only lower case. So let us assume that I have written a statement. I just want to add two numbers. So I am not using any syntax a plus b. So here I am giving any value for a and here I am giving any value for b. The output will be stored in a variable called c. So if we terminated with semicolon, then we could say that this is a statement. So all the statements should be written in lower case. Just a practice. Sir, if we write it in the uppercase, is there any issue? There is no issue. But as a good programmer, they have to write, they have to follow the rules have given in the C program. So this is a one statement. So all the statements should be written in lower case and all the statement should end with semicolon. So I said here, right? See this statement, I have terminated with semicolon. Very, very important whether it should be terminated with colon or semicolon because this rules is for making C program. That is not for all other programming language. So all statements should end with semicolon. The uppercase letters are also be used. Uppercase letters are used for symbolic constant. So what is symbolic constant? So let us assume that you know the value of pi. Pi equal to 3.14. This is called a symbolic constant. The value will not be changed because this is the constant value, right? So why it is going to change? It won't change. 3.14. Okay, 3.1457, it will keep on going like this, but this is called a symbolic constant. So that variable alone, so this is normally in program we will call it as variable. So that value alone will be considered as a symbolic constant. So like in a software industry, if people are write a coding, they will follow these rules. Why? Because they initially they are in a project and later on like while continuing the project or while doing the project, he may switch over to another company. So whatever the thing he stored, he put it in a one folder and he leave. The other programmer who is recruited for that company, they will come and they'll look at the program, they can easily understand, okay, this is constant, this is variable name. So these are the some ethics which are followed in the software industry. So that's why for every programming language there is a set of rules. So this will be discussed during the what training session itself. And next one, blank spaces can be inserted between words. Let us assume that you have, let us take a word, okay, any word, good, and then space, and then we'll have another word called bad. So this space, okay, that is called as blank space, can also be inserted between the words. Okay, that is also be permissible in Java. But no blank space while declaring a variable, keyword, and constant. Since it is a for third lecture, you may not know about what is meant by variable, keyword, and constant, but just keep in mind, and I will explain you in the upcoming videos what is meant by variable and what is meant by keyword and what is meant by constant. But there should not be any blank space between the variable, keyword, and constant. Okay, and can write one or more statement in the same line separated by semicolon. So this is very important. So I have just written a one line here and d equal to c minus d. Okay, let us assume like this. So there are two statements. The two statement can be written in a one line and followed by semicolon, and I am giving another statement d equal to c minus d. Here two separate statements, but I am just giving it in a single line. How the computer will understand that? If it is ended with semicolon, it will be treated as the statement gets terminated or the line gets terminated. So this will be treated as the next line or next statement. But you can write one or more statement in the same line separated by semicolon. And also be very important, opening and closing of the braces should be balanced. Obviously, if you are opening braces means either it will be a curly braces or it will be a normal braces or it will be a brackets, whatever it may be, it should get balanced. Okay, if you are the four curly braces are open in this program, the same four curly braces should be closed, else it will be a syntax error. So just recollect what are the things we have discussed now. Like all the statements should written in a lower case, all statements should ended up with a semicolon, uppercase can be used for a symbolic constant, blank spaces can also be inserted between the verb, no blank space while declaring a variable, keyword or constant, can write one or more statement in the same line by separating comma, and then opening and closing of the braces should be balanced. So it should be a balanced one. So I hope you will understand this topic. If you like my video, click the like button and then share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you all.